Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student or a lifelong learner looking for affordable study help, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the latest Quizplus coupon codes, discounts, and promo deals for 2025 so you can save big on study solutions. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that applies Quizplus's biggest available discount automatically, so you never waste time hunting for codes. For those new to Quizplus, it's an online learning platform that gives you access to step-by-step solutions, flashcards, and practice quizzes across thousands of subjects. Here's why Quizplus is worth using in 2025. Over 10 million questions and answers across multiple subjects like math, science, history, and engineering. Step-by-step explanations to help you actually understand the material, not just memorize answers. Flashcards and quizzes to test your knowledge before exams. Perfect for high school, college, and competitive exam prep. Available on desktop and mobile so you can study anywhere. Now let's talk savings. Here are the best Quizplus coupon codes and deals for 2025. Quiz 2025, get 20% off your first subscription. Save 15 QP, 15% off any premium plan for existing users. Flash Quiz, extra 10% off during seasonal sales like Back to School, New Year, or Black Friday. Student 10, special 10% student discount on all plans. Verify with student email. And if you don't want to manually test codes, just click my special link in the description. It's always updated with Quizplus' biggest offer and applies it automatically at checkout. Pro tip, the annual plan usually gives you the lowest monthly cost. So if you plan on using Quizplus throughout the school year, that's the smartest option. So that's it. The best Quizplus coupon codes, discounts, and promos for 2025. If you're ready to level up your studies and save money
Introducing
while
our
doing
latest
it,
edition.
click the link in my description, grab your discount, and get started with Quizplus today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more study hacks and learning deals, and comment below telling me what subject you're working on. I'd love to hear about your goals. Remember, smart studying doesn't have to be expensive. With Quizplus and these coupon codes, you can learn better and save big in 2025.